Formatting Python code automatically upon saving in Visual Studio Code. Code can greatly enhance your coding workflow and maintain code consistency. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up this feature using the popular black formatter, but you can use other formatters like Autocomplete or yapf as well. Step 1. Install Visual Studio Code if you haven't already. Download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, code Visual Studio.com. Step 2. Install Python extension for VS Code 1. Open Visual Studio Code. Go to the Extensions view by clicking on the Extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window or by pressing ctrl+shift+x. Search for Python in the search bar. Install the official Python extension by Microsoft. Step 3. Install a code formatter for this tutorial. We'll use black as our code formatter. You can install it via pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run bash pip install black. Step 4. Configure VS Code to use the formatter 1. Open your VS Code settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner and selecting Settings, or by pressing ctrl+. Buying on the setting or lay the In the search bar of the settings window, type Format on Save. The setting for sound check the box for Editor Format on Save. This will enable automatic formatting each time you save a file. Next, search for Python formatting provider in the settings. From the drop-down, select black as the formatting provider. Alternatively, you can modify your settings on file directly. To do this one, press ctrl+shift to open the command palette. Type Preferences, open Settings, and select it. Add or modify the following lines in your settings: Junction Editor, format and save true. Python formatting provider black. Step 5 example of formatting with black. Here a small example to demonstrate what black does when formatting. Before formatting example Python if example function print hello world. Here's a simple example of what that file might look like. Tonal tool black, line length 88, skip string normalization true. Conclusion: now you have automatic code formatting set up in Visual Studio Code for Python using black. This setup will help you maintain consistent code style across your projects, making it easier to read and maintain. Making this will see you to your Tur toe behind pain peace hey cause you cause you could Feel free to explore other formatters or additional configurations to find what works best for your workflow.